Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zari. Adhyay 20 OV 100. कुणास आपल्या बाह्यवेशी कुणास जागृती वा स्वप्नविशेषी दर्शन देत अहर्निशी पूर्वीत असोशी भक्तांची. To some he gave darshan in his usual dress and form. To some he appeared in dreams or when awake, be it day or night. He would satisfy the wishes of his devotees. ऐसे अनुभव एक ना दोन इति म्हणोनी करावे वर्णन शिर्डीत जरी वसती स्थान अलक्ष प्रस्थान कोठेही. Such incidences were not a few. How many of them could be described? Though he stayed in Shirdi, there was not a place he could not reach. पहा ही पोर कोणाची कोण यह कश्चित गरीब मोलकरीण नारिंगी साडीवरी तिचे ते गायन निघाले मुखातून साहजिक. Just take the case of this girl, a mere stranger, an ordinary poor maidservant who sang the song describing the orange-colored sari very casually. शंका म्हणूनी बाबा सपुसावी या मोलकरिणीने तो निरसावी तीही काकांच्या इथे असावी रचना ही मायावी नाही का. That a doubt should arise in the mind of Ganudas and it should be placed before Baba, that it should be answered by the maid who stayed at Kaka's, is this not Maya's chimerical handiwork? आधी ही तेथे मोलकरीण असावी हे कैसे बाबा सज्ञान तीही भविष्यकाळी हे गाऊन श्रुत्यर्थबोधन भावे कसे. How did Baba know that there was such a maidservant there, and that she would sing a song sometime, and that it would explain the meaning of the Shruti? परी ते झाले झाले खास वाटले आश्चर्य गणुदासास आशंकेचा झाला निरास ईशावास्य आकळले. But it did happen, and certainly it did. Ganudas was amazed. His doubts were cleared, and he understood the meaning of the Ishavasya. श्रोतिया मनी येईल शंका खटाटोपहा तरी का इतुका स्वयेच स्वमुखे बाबांनीच का फेडिली न आशंका तेथेच. The listeners may wonder why all this was contrived. Why did Baba himself not clear the doubts then and there only with his own lips? हे काय जागीच नसते करवले परी ते नसते महिमान कळले ईशे त्या पोरीसही आच्छादिले प्रकट हे केले बाबांनी. Couldn't he have done it there? But then the greatness of it all would not have been understood. Baba showed that the girl was encompassed by God. आत्मयाथात्म्य निरूपण हेच सर्वोपनिषदाचे पर्यवसान हेच मोक्षधर्म निष्कर्षण गीतार्थ प्रवचन ते हेच. The elucidation of the reality of the Atma is the subject of all Upanishads. This is in itself salvation without any doubt. This is the precept of the Gita also. प्राणी भिन्न आत्मा अभिन्न आत्मा कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्वहीन तो न अशुद्ध पापपुण्याधीन कर्माचरण त्या नाही. The beings are different, but the Atma is one. The Atma is incapable of enjoyment and also action. It is not impure and is not bound by sins or merit of good deeds. मी जातीने उच्च ब्राह्मण इतर मजहुनी नीच वर्ण वसे ऐसे जोवरी भेदज्ञान कर्माचरण आवश्यक. I am a hybrid Brahmin by caste, and all others are low caste. Till such conviction of discrimination exists, there are necessarily the bonds of karma.